First, thanks for clicking this video. Okay, in this video I'll try to show you how to print your drawing by making use of an appropriate scale and by making use of an appropriate title block, which is already there. Alright, first get into the drawing. Probably there is a drawing list right on top. If you're not able to see that, get into File tab or use Control tab to switch between drawings. Okay, I prefer the second method. If you Control tab, you can switch between the drawings here. Alright, right now the first important thing that you would like to care is you have to draw everything in millimeter, which is very important. The second thing you had to take care is that the absolute distance is constant. What I mean by that is if I try to measure the distance of the wall, that will be 200. And one more thing, that you're not supposed to scale your drawing, rather you have to scale your title block. Okay, first open the title block. The simple thing that you understand is creating title block is fairly simple. First, am I gonna draw a rectangle here? Click up the first point. The size of the rectangle will be same as that of the size of the paper. First important thing that you would like to understand is the size of the title block is same as that of the size of the paper, which is A3. For A3, the size in millimeter will be 420 and 297. Sorry, 297. Okay, then you can convert this asset right into this asset by simply making use of all of this text. These are text, these are lines, these are images. Now suppose if you want your company logo right in, so you can drag your image and you can place it right here. First important thing is turn off your ortho. You don't want to mess with ortho. And okay, then you want to pick a point right in, and okay, that's it. Now you can scale it again. Yeah, that's it. Okay, you know, the text is behind the logo. Either you can select the logo or you can select the text. Right click, there's an option for draw order and bring into center back. Okay, so the image will be right on back of the text. That's it. So that's how you'll be attaching your logo right in. Now let's send the title block, select everything, then you have to use Control Shift and C to copy, and you might want to pick a base point, then get into your drawing. I don't want these boxes there. Then you can paste it. For pasting you can use Control and V. For pasting, yeah, just pick it right there. Alright, we can see that our title block is right here. Right in this particular building, you can see that the height is longer and the width is smaller. So what I'm doing here is I like to just just pick some extension here that will cover the whole building. Okay, just something like this. And I might want to scale the title block. Scale, pick up the base point and get into reference, pick up the longer axis. The longer axis is vertical, so I want to pick a first line is here and a second line is here. Okay, then get into points. If your building is having width is greater than that of the height, you can do the opposite. The first point is here and the second point is here. Okay, now we don't want these lines, you can delete it anytime. Select the asset, move it right from first point is here, and you can well, you can place it right here. Right, that fit perfect. Okay, now Control P. First, your printer will be somewhere over here. As there is no printer connected to my computer, I can pick any general documentation. I like to pick the paper, which is A3. A3 is having two orientation. Either you want to have the landscape or you want to have the portrait. I'm gonna pick up the landscape orientation. Now you're gonna get into window. I'll be picking up first point here. First point of the window will be right there, and the second point of the window will be right here. Now this is quite important. You want to fit this asset to paper. and they'll automatically scale your drawing to 1:100, so you don't want to worry about anything. If I previewed it, you can see that okay, our drawing is in landscape but the paper is in portrait mode, so the simple thing to fix it is turn this into landscape. Again, look it, so there is some part missing. That's caused due to the ineffective margins. So before doing anything else, we want to fix up the margin by getting to property. Before getting to property, understand the paper name is ISO A3. Getting to property, I might want to get into the printable area. ISO A3 is the paper. Just scroll and understand ISO A3 is somewhere over here. I have no idea. ISO A3, ISO A3, ISO A3. This is the paper. Modified it. I don't want to see any margin, so back it up to 0. Okay, next, and finish it. Okay. And again, you can center the plot. Finally, if you get into here, you can see that the margin fits perfectly. Okay, if you set the style as a screening and trying to take a preview, you can see that all the color will be right there. And well, thanks for watching.